Hello Galaxy of Intellects. In this video, I'll be talking about the newly launched National Education Policy 2020, also known as NEP 2020. Recently, the National Education Policy 2020 was announced by the Ministry of Human Resources, soon to be called Ministry of Education. This policy is aimed at transforming the Indian education system to meet the needs of 21st century. The new policy seeks rectification of poor literacy and numeracy outcomes, reduction in dropout level in middle and secondary schools, and adoption of multidisciplinary approach in the higher medium of education. Apart from this, the policy also focuses on early childhood care, restructuring curriculum, reforming assessment and examination, and investing in teachers' training and broad-basing their appraisal. Though the National Education Policy 2020 seems to bring a holistic change in the Indian education system, its success depends on the will and way in which it will be implemented. Significance of National Education Policy 2020: recognizing importance of formative years. An adopting of 5+3+3+4 model of school starting at the age of 3, the policy focuses on the primacy of formative years from ages 3 to 8 in shaping their child's future. Departure of silos mentality. Another key aspect of the school education in this policy is the breaking of strict division of commerce, arts and science in the higher schools. This can lay down the foundation of adopting multidisciplinary approach in the higher education. The confluence of education and skills. Another laudable aspect of the scheme is the introduction of vocational courses with an internship. This may nudge the vulnerable section of the society from sending their children to the schools. It would help in the realization of the goals of Skill India mission, making education more inclusive. The National Education Policy 2020 proposes the extension of right to education to all the children up to the age of 18. This policy seeks to leverage the huge potential of online learning for increasing gross enrollment in schools. Light but tight oversight. According to this policy, in spite of regular inspection, transparency, maintaining quality standards, and a favorable public perception will become a 24/7 pursuit for the institutions, leading to all-round improvement in their standard, allowing foreign universities. The document state universities from among top 100 in the world will be able to set up their campuses in India. This will lead to the infusion of international perspective and innovation, which will make Indian education system more efficient and competitive, ending Hindi versus English debate. Most crucially, the National Education Policy 2020 once and for all buries all the loud Hindi versus English debate. Instead, it focuses on the mother tongue, the medium of education, at least class 5, which is considered to be the best medium of teaching. Issues related to NEP 2020. Knowledge jobs mismatch. There is a persistent mismatch between the knowledge and skill imparted and the jobs available. This has been one of the main challenges of India that have affected our Indian education system since independence. National Education Policy 2020 fails to check this as it is silent on education related to emerging technologies such as AI and cyberspace. The requirement of enormous resources. An ambitious target at 6% of GDP has been set. Mobilizing financial resources will be a big challenge given to the low tax to GDP ratio. Conclusion. The new Education Policy 2020 is a good policy as it aims at making our Indian education system more holistic, flexible, multidisciplinary, and aligned to meet the needs of 21st century. The intent of the policy seems ideal in many ways, but it is the implementation where lies the key to success. I hope you found this video helpful. In the end, if you like this video, consider subscribing and share this video for good purpose. Thank you.